We'll make it home. Not a big deal.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Can I step out? Yeah.
Yeah, you're fine.
Thank you.
You guys are incredible.
Oh yeah.
You boys on YouTube one of these days.
Right here.
Oh, there you go.
Give it to me. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode of Backyard Boys. You already know what it is. We got another video for you guys, and in this video we got a little bit of different style than my typical videos where I just repair. In this video we're actually going to pick up some new equipment for the future Backyard Boys garage, and we got my guy Steve with me right now. We got a flatbed, as you guys can tell, right over there, and we are waiting for the ferry. So in this episode we're actually going to go pick up a frame machine. We're gonna have to load it up somehow on that flatbed. I have no idea how we're gonna do it, but we will figure that out when we get there. And I'll show you guys some behind the scenes. And to all my new subscribers, I appreciate all the love, all the support. I'll show you guys a little update on projects and whatnot. And let's get this video rolling. Back her up. Stop. Alrighty guys, so we got the trailer hooked up and we are ready to start heading across the ferry to pick up our frame machine. Let's get this puppy started and let's head. Alright guys, so we have made it to the frame machine. It took us about 3 hours due to the long ferry waits, and we're officially here. We got lost a little bit, but whatever. So that's the frame machine right over here. Let's go check it out. Alright, what is this right here? You see this?
Oh, that's just a whole rack up. So you can pack the trailer on the end.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's with that. That's not with.
No, yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is the rack up.
And you're firm on 4,000, yeah?
Yeah. 1 at 5, but you know, since it's you, I'll do 4.
Yeah.
These are for pulling your side posts, you know, your door posts and stuff. When you're clamping onto your door posts, pulling it out and stuff. That's what these are for. These are for pulling around bumpers. You hook it up on the bumpers, pull the bumpers out. That long bar right there is for overhead rollovers. These are for pinch wheel pulls. And you want
Pinch wheel, let's see that. Those are pretty.
These clamps usually runs you about $200 a clamp.
Just this clamp?
Yep.
Pinch wheel pull, and you got a couple of these. You got here, yeah.
Yep, those are for doing.
What are these?
Those are for you have to make a hole or put in on the frame.
And then show and pull
right,
back.
Pull it back. These are this was designed for doing vans. You know, the corners of the
Body lines and stuff.
body lines on the corners, like caravans and stuff right around the tail lights.
Yeah.
You can have all the special
poles. You got your
special clamps. And these when you don't have a clamp for it, you can make your own clamp and just stick it in there, drill some holes, put it out your bolts.
Yep. And then you got that.
And different holes.
Yep.
These are for pulling towers, your strut towers.
Strut towers, yeah.
Stick it on there, this thing bolts up where the towers, where the struts are.
So this comes off, right?
Right, you unscrew it, stick it in the bottom of the
strut tower and yeah.
Screw that down on the top, and you get these side pulls or the top pulls. Straighten out the strap.
All right. Otherwise, everything works. Yeah.
Otherwise, it's all up to you to figure it out.
Yeah, yeah. No, I mean, I worked at a shop, so I've been around this area.
Yeah, it's basically common sense, I'll say. You know, if you ever.
Besides anything, I mean, these all run. These are all smooth. Like you don't have because none of these bolts or nuts are stripped or anything. Yeah, that's good.
There's one of them that needs a new bolt.
Oh, right here.
Right.
Yeah, I see it.
And yeah, these just clamp like that one right here set up where you clamp it onto the table.
Yeah, I see.
Clamp it. Spin around the other way. Then this right here, you put it on
for
the pinch
the rail.
wheel.
Yeah, pinch wells for the rail bottom.
Right, and
yeah.
screw it tight.
All right, so we're gonna get this frame machine, but first we need to jackknife this trailer or this flatbed under the frame machine, and then we're gonna winch it. As you can see, the guy put on wheels in the back. We're gonna winch it on and get this frame machine strapped down. But prior to anything, we gotta push this car out of the way because it is a non-roller. So we're gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna set up a time lapse of everything, how we're loading it up. Let's go. Did you do 3,700?
No, I gotta do 4, man.
Yeah.
I've been trying to. I was asking 5. I got 3 other people too that are interested in it.
Yeah, I just. What about 38? I mean, any dollar helps, you know. Yeah, it is. Let's do 38. Get it loaded up. I got cash in hand. So. This thing, I mean, you can watch this thing work for another couple of years on my YouTube channel, you know.
Yeah, this is gonna be working forever. It's I don't want to go any lower.
Yeah.
I have to get at least 4 because I've already taken a big loss on it. Instead, I've got some.
Okay, what if we settle on 39? It's $100 for my fuel anyway.
All right, $39.99.
Ah, you almost got me there. Let's do 39, boss.
Yeah, 39.
That's good, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, I appreciate that. Here, let's shake on it.
39 and 100. I'm just kidding.
Oh, yeah.
39.
I was about to say, what? So.
I mean, this is off the record now. Keep the video off of this. Okay. Sometimes $100 bills get stuck.
Yeah, they're fresh. I just
made it, huh?
Yeah, I just printed it this morning. So. Just kidding. Man, it's actually not even that hard to load it up, honestly. We were so worried because we thought this frame bench was on the floor. Sliding is super bad. But we thought the frame bench was on the floor, and we're just like, how in the world? Because this thing weighs like 5,000 pounds. So.
Oh, easy.
So, but, you know, awesome. This guy has that rear axle welded on. Looks like that's custom, yeah?
Yep.
So we're going to get that tire pumped up and then just haul this trailer right under there. Money all there? Anyways, guys, it looked extremely easy to get this frame bench loaded up, but it is not easy at all. It is taking forever, but we are very, very close to being done, and we can start heading back on our way home to get this frame bench unloaded, which is going to be a whole nother mission. But come check this out. Go really slow. Keep going.
Up.
Stop right there, stop. All right, keep going. Yes, we did it.
You guys are incredible.
Oh yeah.
Put you boys on YouTube one of these days.
Right here.
Oh, there you go.
Give it to me. Thank you.
Thank you. Just did it, man. These are incredible.
Alrighty guys, so we got the frame loaded up. As you guys can tell, that took extremely long time and it was much more difficult than we thought, but it is done. We got all the attachments here in the bed. The frame is a little dirty, as you guys can tell. It is a frame machine, but I do want to run into the gas station, the car wash, and get this thing all detailed, all cleaned up decently, so it'd be pretty nice when I put it into the place where it is going. All right guys, I'm super excited, and we're gonna start heading home because it is getting dark. So I'll catch you guys at the car wash. Let's go.
Thank you.
All right guys, so we just got done washing the frame machine, and that is gonna be it for taking delivery on this new equipment for the BYB garage. You already know what it is. We're gonna continue with this video and show you guys some behind the scenes, some burnouts, some drifts, some shooting flame with the GTR. Let's keep it rolling. Yo, what is that?
Some rubber, boy.
Oh, snap. We'll make it home. Not a big deal.
There's another one.
Watch out.
There's another thong.
Watch out. What's up, boys?
Y'all got the scissors?
He got some scissors.
How about on this side?
You gotta cut it way in there. You wanna back up or something?
back up.
Back up or go forward?
Cut out the appendix.
I'll back up. Right, dude, mom's gonna kill you.
Freaking A, look at that. Look what's happened.
Out of everything. Like, mom's literally gonna kill you.
Dude. That's bad. How?
Even they stole the gas cap too.
Yo. Anyways.
Literally 30 minutes apart and it happened. Like, it's happening already before 20 minutes. Because when I come back here, I saw that.
Actually? Whatever. Alright.
They even stole their gas cap.
Alright, we literally just pranked the security guard. We were walking to the car and we're like, oh my goodness, what actually happened? And the security started pulling up. He's right over there. But yeah, that was funny. His reaction was like...
Going on? What are you guys up to?
Just cousin's car just took it down the block. He just bought it.
Okay. You guys pulled into a spot that's been burged numerous times recently. You're driving a car with no plate on it. It looks a little suspicious to me.
That's been burged?
It's been burged, broken into, things stolen.
Okay.
That's why
I apologize. I do have a trip permit.
Do you? Where's it at?
It's right. So actually, it's right here. I got a bunch of. I had a bunch of trash in the car,
Okay.
and I didn't stick that on. And yeah, so I bought this car from an auction, a salvage auction. I actually rebuilt cars.
Okay.
So yeah, for a YouTube channel actually. So yeah,
Okay.
I just let my little cousin drive it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have your license on you?
Me?
Yeah. Yes, license. I apologize for that.
No, you're good.
Yeah, and it's kind of loud. I understand too.
I don't care about that.
Yeah.
All right, I'll be right back. Hang tight.
Thank you. Yep, this is gonna be a good clip, good thumbnail. How you doing?
Yo, what's up?
All right, guys, that is a wrap. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave it.
We'll be done with them in a second. Not a big deal.
Huh? She's probably worried we're driving recklessly. Or something.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
So here's the deal. So that church right there
Okay.
has been broken into numerous times in the past month.
I live here and I see suspicious vehicles.
All the
I was
time
personally
there,
gonna
yeah.
call you guys. I said if I see this truck for the 5th time, I took out his license plate. I was gonna report him.
Well, if you do next time, call.
I have his license
I've
plate
been
right
working,
here.
I've been working on a couple of cases out there.
Alrighty, I'll go be. I'll
But
do
you guys are
that.
good. Okay, make sure you get that trip permit.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, here's the thing. Is it fine if maybe I'll get some tape? Because this stuff, it peels tint, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's why, so I usually tape it.
Tape's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. So, all right.
All right, thank
Thanks,
you.
guys.
Yeah, thank you. Can I step out? Yeah?
Yeah, you're fine now.
Thank you. All right, guys, well, that is a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. A lot of my new subscribers have been asking me, how much did this vehicle behind me cost? This is actually one of my rebuilds, and I rebuilt this vehicle personally myself, and I do have a full breakdown of how much it cost me in my YouTube channel. So be sure to check out my channel and check out the video how much this costed me. If you guys are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications because we got a lot of awesome content. And if you guys like this video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.